This Canon RF-S 55 to 210mm bundle gives APS-C EOS R shooters a very useful telephoto range for sports, wildlife, and travel without adding much weight to the bag. Optical image stabilization rated for roughly 4½ stops makes handheld shooting at the long end surprisingly steady, even in dimmer light. The STM focusing motor is quick, accurate, and very quiet, which is ideal for both fast-action stills and video work where you do not want focus noise on your audio. A close focusing distance of about 2 3/10 feet lets you fill the frame with smaller details, flowers, or products while still enjoying the compressed telephoto look. The compact barrel balances nicely on smaller Canon EOS R series bodies like the Canon EOS R10 or Canon EOS R50, making it comfortable to carry all day. The included filter set, cap keeper, and cleaning kit add practical value to the lens by helping protect the front element and keep the optics in good condition over time.